Hi, this is Paul Johnson. I am the founder of Snagshout, and I am so excited to show you guys some of the cool ways that you can get some amazing cash back using the Snagshout platform. And so I just wanted to talk about some of these things. So if you haven't done it already, you should definitely go to Snagshout and just look at the cashback deals that we have. We usually have some really cool cashback deals, like you can get stuff for free right here. So you know, we got these popsicle maker molds, like absolutely free after rebate. We got this welding chipping hammer, so all kinds of interesting things for free here. We got some African bar soap for free, some organic cream, collagen cream here for free, all kinds of really cool stuff. And so I just wanted to talk about like what some of these rebates do and how you can get these deals. So some of them don't require you to do anything. You just buy the product and submit your Amazon proof of purchase and you are going to get paid. So those are going to be any of them that just have this little PayPal symbol here and they don't have anything else next to it. Like this one right here, you can just buy this thing and it's normally $17.83. You can get it for $4.99 and you're going to get your cash back just by confirming your order. But the rest of the products, they're usually going to require some type of action, right? So this one requires you to make a video about the product and your experience with it. This one requires you to take a lifestyle photo. This one right here requires you to do a survey. So you got to answer a survey about the product. And so we have all these different things that you can do. And we have another one, but I don't think any of the deals right now are asking for it. But the other one we have is a social media post as well. So just explaining how this works a little bit. Basically what you would do is you would take this product. So let me go ahead and grab one of these products here. So let's say I want these popsicle molds. So what I would do here is go in here. It shows me that in order to get this money, I'm going to need to do a video review. So what you would do is you would just click snag rebate. It's going to kind of warn you again, like, hey, just so you know, you have to do this. I'm going to say, yep, you agree to the terms and conditions. And then confirm the snag. And I'll go ahead and confirm it, even though I might not buy this. So basically, once you confirm that snag, it's gonna be right on here on Snagshout. And basically, we're gonna hold this for you for 1 hour. You have 1 hour to complete your purchase. So now you need to go to Amazon, buy this product, and then send your order ID. So you can just copy it right here. Send your order confirmation to us. So all you have to do is log into your email account, whatever you use, and then forward us that receipt right here to this email address. And then we'll get it and your order will be confirmed. So we give you 1 hour to do that. Then once you do that, go ahead and wait for, in this case, because this one requires a video, you gotta wait for the product to get shipped. Once the product is shipped, and then you're gonna wanna make a video about the product, upload it, and then you will get your cash back after the merchant looks at the video and approves it and everything. And here's the great thing about it. We have your back. We make sure that the merchant goes ahead, whoever owns this brand, they have to pay us for the rebate before they can even put this deal on Snagshout. So we go ahead and collect that money from them. We're holding that money for them. And the only reason really why they can't pay you is if you don't submit an order ID and you're doing something like that, or you don't do the action, right? And we definitely encourage you to do the best you can with your actions. But you know, if you're not a professional photographer or a great videographer or a social media influencer or anything like that, that's okay. You just got to do the best you can. And then when the merchant approves your action, they actually will leave you a feedback, right? And so you can get better at getting those feedback. The better feedback you get, you're going to get points. We have a whole cool point system that is getting ready to be rolled out. And the more points you earn, you're going to be able to get extra prizes and everything. So we really want you guys to get great deals and take advantage of these amazing cashback deals that we have. Our merchants really work hard trying to develop cool products for you guys to use and to snag and to shout about. And we really hope that you guys will participate and use all these things. And we're excited to share some of these features with you. If you have any questions or comments on how we can make this better, feel free to do a comment on the video or email us, and we will definitely try to take any thoughts that you have into consideration. I just want to say one more thing about Amazon reviews. We do not require Amazon reviews. It is against Amazon's terms of service to require you to write an Amazon review, but we always do highly encourage you, if you can, to write an Amazon review for the merchants when they buy the product. That really helps them out if you write an Amazon review for them, and we hope that you will do it, but by no means are you required to do it, and you won't be penalized if you don't. Thank you so much for watching, and once again, we are here to make sure that you can save money and experience really cool products, so let us know how we can help you enjoy using Snagshout more.